Let's get it going. Hello, hello, hello. Y'all on the mic?
Yeah, they can start whenever they're ready. They don't need my my word.
Your mic's coming through the mic, through the stream though. So we're gonna tell them music. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Five Finger Death Punch sounds fucking fire.
Wait a minute. Is this for the Xbox tier list?
Yeah.
I didn't know the Darko enter it. I didn't know. That's what I was asking. First, I need to talk to you.
Oh, I wasn't trying to sound rude. Oh, fucking tired.
Yeah, I just woke up.
Like I said, Heavenly Cockroach.
I heard him. To get in from your queen. Remember that?
Who?
Who?
You. Who?
Who?
You, bitch. You heard that said?
You sound junky as fuck. Definitely ain't no cap.
Shut up, Fly King.
He must be talking to Hero.
You.
Who is talking that I can't hear?
The fuck?
Just speaking my. Hey, they do that sometimes.
Let's go into your mic.
That's
please.
weird. Why the fuck are the names red?
They do that sometimes, Christian.
Oh.
No, Christian, I do need to talk to you before.
Okay. Oh, man, bro.
Let's go. Damn, crazy.
My lord. Okay. That's it. I'm the only nigga talk during the set.
Well, he's in VC with Playco right now. I'm here. I'm just tired of shit. Wow.
Trying not to go in on my dog. That's it. No, can't do that. Oh shit, hold on. Oh, excuse me? Whoa!
We show you the power of the six paths.
Yo.
I'm going on her.
1-0. Darko.
Incompetent. Not a
What's
shred
up,
of
Hunter?
talent.
What's up, Conqueror? I just wanted to see what y'all was doing. Y'all in here quiet as hell. What
I'm
y'all season?
tired as
What y'all
shit.
doing?
I was in
Niggas
there for
tired,
Super
man.
5.
Most niggas in here have jobs, man. Niggas dead to the earth.
Damn, he said you fucking broke. Crazy. Kidding, of course.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Oh yeah, bro, but I'm like, nah, you know, Marvel Rivals.
Yeah, what's up, dude?
I just wanted to see what y'all was doing because I was bored.
Party party and be on rivals? Get out, man. I got time for you.
It's about get out, man.
Why you on my nuts today,
I want everybody time today.
bruh? Bedtime? Why you even up?
Just woke up.
Guess he's fat.
Shut up, bitch.
Damn, on to kills. Be on that Mortal Kombat, huh?
Nah, I honestly haven't even been on it yet. Fucking Conan came out. I tried them, but haven't figured out how to play them fully yet.
Lying, I seen clips of you fighting, boy.
Them old behind Ghostface clips.
I seen you sweating on that motherfucker. That's what I'm trying to. I'm about to buy him for my PlayStation. I'll buy him right now on my PlayStation. I'm not trying to buy the whole package. I'm not trying to buy the whole pack of the players I don't fucking play with.
Right.
Like, make it make sense. Like, my man's game. Like, making a team, huh? I don't wanna be no one, just wanna be yourself. Myself. Oh, he got Tamari? Oh, Tamari on Tamari.
Oh man.
The fuck is wrong with my internet?
Internet problems. Oh, I'm slow as fuck, bro. Yeah, I need to lay down somewhere.
I'm glad you're like that, man. It's okay.
It's not the damn mock game, it's the real one.
Oh my lord. Well, I might gotta play some serious shit for him. He said, go pick a real team. Grab. Wait a second, I ain't been on connection for a long time. Oh. Boring. Oh, you got the grab. Alright. Oh, my health get low. I don't care. Oh, 2-0.
I don't even want you for my collection.
2-0? Oh man. Yeah, it's 5. Sorry, I just saw the chat.
Oh, what the fuck is wrong? What was I?
Oh.
I'm getting fucked up.
You're stronger than I expected. I'll help you work. Crush it. Let's go. This'll work. Take this. Tear you apart. I'll help you. My turn. Let's go. Take this. I'll tear you apart. Here I go. Here I go. Let's try. This is what. This'll work. I'll hold it. This is cold. Let me show you the power of the 6 paths. Here I go. Here I am. Here I am. Take this. Take this. Come on. Over here. Come on. Summon me. Here I am. Almighty push. This is good. This is what. This'll work. Gotcha. My turn. It's cold. Here I am. Take this. Come on. Summon. Here I go. It's over. Iron Sand Coagulant attack. Time to attack. Come on. This'll work. What will you have? What will you have? Come on, summon me. Come on, take this. Come on. Let's go. I'll help you. Let's go. Shatter a pot. This'll work. You missed me. Let's go. Come on, summon me. Take this. Well,
Is that 3-0?
think of my favorite.
Darko's favor? Yeah, what's up, Dimsy?
Man, you troll spinning? Alright, bro.
fought with the eyes. You won't get away. I'll take it from here. You won't fight me. Victor has been decided. Round 2. Begin. Come on, I'll tear you apart. Iron Sand Coagulant. Iron Sand Coagulant. Take this. Time to attack. I'll take it. Take this. I'll tear you apart. Well, well. Time to attack. Take this. Take this. Time to attack. Come on. Come on, Sixo. I'll take it from you.
My turn.
This will be a battle fought with the eyes. You won't get it. Just say the word. You won't get away. You won't get away. Come on. You won't get away. Take this. You won't get away. You won't get away. Time is up.
My turn.
I'll take it from here. Just say the word. What's up? I'll take it from here. Summon me. Lightning! Let me handle it. Victor has been decided. Final round. Begin. Lightning! What's up? Just say the word.
Anyone else here that's actually gonna keep score or no? Who's all here?
My turn.
Yeah, I am. Alright.
You are? Okay. Do I have the score correct so far? It's like 3-0, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
It is 3 right now. All I
Like,
got
I'm
is
dead tired, so.
yeah. His puppet
Here's
movements are fucking crazy though.
Yeah, they do really good with these puppets. No cap.
Mm-hmm.
Stay alert.
Yeah, get away from him too.
Or she, what you do, or she.
What am I doing?
Yeah, bro.
I'm watching this fucking set.
I was about to say something. But yeah.
Hmm?
They're coming back to something. Yeah. Yeah.
You got 60?
But she, hell no. We already know that. 60 ain't coming to March.
You had the nerve
Oh,
to
yeah,
challenge
right.
me with that.
My bad.
Incredible. You're a third-rate hack.
Now,
4-0.
I did some.
DarkoSenju.
God damn. God damn.
Yeah, I'm sleepy.
Oro, match point, Darko. I'm gonna finish watching this set and I'll hop in.
Boy. Okay, fucked up. shit went all out. Probably got me this one. We gotta run another one out the door.
I'm about to bully this nigga just Nagato.
That's crazy.
No, he started troll spinning me in a fucking ring match. All 3 matches. We owed his ass. Then he talking about some first of 5. I was like, bro, I'm just gonna do a first of 3. I gotta get off in a minute.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Slow-mo!
Uh-oh.
God, I've never seen this happen, ever.
We've got this shit in slow-mo 4K.
Whew. This is a win.
Big dub. Did it lag out?
Bro, it's still running.
How?
Took y'all both in again, Juicy.
Oh my god, 12 a.m. I gotta hit the bed. Holy shit.
Yeah.
There it goes. Oh, okay. Super speed. What? That was weird. Someone got the booty net.
All right, let's get. Oh my lord, boy.
It's a 4-1.
Yeah, I'm about to come back. I ain't gonna lie, I just took this nigga serious.
Wait, who won? Because it's still showing us shit. The
Again,
fuck?
it's 4-1.
Yeah, it's 4-1. I know I
So y'all are done with the match?
Yeah, it's 4-1. Yeah,
Do you see the stream?
Oh, I can't. No, I don't see it.
No, I mean, like, anybody else?
Yeah, no, I'm looking at the stream. Yeah.
So
This is different. It's still showing.
It's NPCs fighting.
No.
Hosted.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to make a new lobby.
No, wait.
No, it's definitely not NPCs posting. It's just like catching up. This is weird.
That's
What does it show on your screen? Who does it say it won?
Well, I've never seen NPCs do a fucking,
Yeah.
you know, counter and counter. So, you two stocked apparently with with no health.
Oh, all right.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
This bitch went fast forward.
damn.
All right. You ready?
That was weird.
Yeah, no health, no subs.
I gotta lock in. This nigga sweating with these motherfucking puppets. Hold up.
Yeah, that was weird. Pretty.
My turn.
Hey man, we do be.
Good fucking game, bro. Damn.
Guys, I'm gonna need to lose already, right? Bro, how did that hit him? That was stupid. Is it just me or is it fast forwarding again?
No, this is actually like
I don't know, dude. I'm tired of shit.
it looks fast, but then again,
I'm tired of shit. That's probably why. Like, I'm dead ass, like, on fumes. Like, once this is over, I'm gonna seep. Bro, that still hit? Alright. I never use a Rochi Jackson, you know, because we ain't about that hee-hee, ha-has.
you mean Infamir?
Exactly, see, you get it? I'm God, so I'm just gonna mash my brains out. Holy shit.
My turn.
Jeez!
That's working.
I mean, that's kind of what you do with puppets a lot of times.
Smash the fuck out of him.
Mm-hmm. They have a hard time if you basically stay on their ass.
Mm. Goddamn. Goddamn. Dr. Pepper hit me.
Shit, I wish I had that pepper.
He does.
Hmm? Drinking that barbecue water. You know what I mean?
Bro.
Barbecue water, what the fuck?
Fucking, that's what Dr. Pepper is. It has barbecue flavoring in it. You didn't know that?
I know it has. Wait, what are you talking about? It has prune juice. I know that.
It has prune juice, but it also does have barbecue flavoring in it.
There's a lot of shit, so who knows?
Yeah.
There's a
It
reason
has
that shit.
23 different flavorings. There's a reason why it's so addictive.
God, Rochi Jackson's so stupid. This man is getting two sock now. This is wild.
Alright, Rochi Jackson. Oh. Damn. All I heard is you.
Guys, just say you're
got
tired
so
of getting
fast.
sweaty. So who knows?
You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth.
Another two sock? Holy shit! 4-2. We getting a comeback? Let's
We
go!
getting that comeback. We getting that comeback. We getting that comeback. We making that motherfucking comeback, boy. We making that motherfucking comeback.
Mother said I want to come back.
Can't go out like that. No, I can't go out like that. I'm about to win this. 5-4.
Or that.
You
Huh?
mean four?
Give
You
me
mean
three.
4-2,
If you-
bro?
Oh,
You said 5-4. Oh, you mean the end score?
Admitted your loss?
4s. 5-4, my way. 5-4.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, I was about to say, I was like, damn, you just admitted the loss. Fuck.
Shit.
You fucking Ishiki instead of, ooh, that might. Ends up no ending, please. Damn. No, one of 3 ads. Fuck. Be vibing. I can hear Garrison. Dr. Pepper.
Ooh.
Oh no, I'm getting the general, and now I'm looking at a Toyota Tundra. Oh look, it's Toyota trucks. 2025 Toyota Tundra Limited. 2.99% APR for 72 months for qualified buyers. NFL. Toyota. Bing. Richard Jackson. His natural habitat. Oh, this is oh. That's no bueno.
5-2.
Let's do another one. Let's do
Bitch,
another
no.
one. Fuck. Yeah.
12 a.m. I'm going to sleep. We can do it tomorrow.
2.
I'm about to ask him for another one. Then I'll stream. I'll stream it. I don't care. And
That's fine. I'm going to fucking sleep. Oh, be damn. But good games. That was right.
Damn.
I should have went hard since the beginning. I ain't gonna lie. It wouldn't have been no 5-2 if I would have went crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. I was underestimating puppet players in general.
Yes, sir. Hi, man.